1. Firstly, open Chrome on your device/laptop or PC. 2. On New tab, click on the search area and type www.visualstudio.download. 3. Click on the first link to open the website. 4. By clicking on the link you will see 3 setup. 5. If you are using Windows/Ubuntu/Linux/Mac, click on the download button below the symbols to download the Visual Studio Code. 6. By clicking on the button you will see a new tab. On the new tab it would be written "Thanks for downloading versus code." 7. Below this click on the link written with direct download link. 8. After clicking on the link the program will start downloading. 9. After completion click on the program displayed on the taskbar. 10. By clicking on the program, you will see a small window on the 2 options. Click on the option I accept with the agreement. 11. Click Next. Now select the folder location and click Next. After clicking Next, click on the option Create a desktop icon. Click Next. After clicking Next, click Install. The program will start to be installed.